When it comes to selecting new windows, homeowners in Sanford often look for options that combine style, functionality, energy efficiency, and ease of use. Among the many window styles available today, slider windows continue to be one of the most popular choices for residential properties. Their sleek design, practical operation, and versatility make them an excellent fit for a wide range of home styles and living spaces. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or building a new home, slider windows offer numerous benefits that can enhance comfort, improve views, and add value to your property. Easy and convenient operation. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose slider windows is their simple operation. Unlike windows that open outward or require lifting, slider windows move horizontally along a track. This design allows homeowners to open and close the windows with minimal effort. The smooth gliding operation is especially beneficial for individuals who may have difficulty lifting heavier window sashes or reaching over furniture to operate a window. Because slider windows are easy to use, they are often installed in frequently used living areas where convenient ventilation is a priority. Excellent ventilation. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Slider windows provide generous ventilation because one or both sashes can be opened to allow fresh air into the home. Their large opening area helps improve air circulation throughout the room, making them particularly effective in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and family spaces. For Sanford homeowners who enjoy bringing fresh outdoor air into their homes, slider windows offer an efficient way to increase ventilation while maintaining comfort. Expansive views and natural light. Another reason slider windows are so popular is their ability to maximize glass area. Because they typically feature fewer frame components than some other window styles, slider windows provide broad, unobstructed views of the outdoors. The larger glass surface also allows more natural light to enter the home. Bright, naturally lit rooms often feel more spacious, welcoming, and enjoyable to spend time in. Whether overlooking a backyard, garden, or neighborhood scenery, slider windows help homeowners enjoy their surroundings while enhancing the overall atmosphere of the home. Energy efficiency benefits. Modern slider windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality models often feature advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, insulated frames, and weather-resistant seals. These features help reduce heat transfer and improve insulation, making it easier to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year. Energy-efficient slider windows can help reduce strain on heating and cooling systems, which may contribute to lower utility costs over time. For homeowners looking to improve overall home efficiency, modern slider windows can be a valuable upgrade. Low maintenance requirements. Homeowners appreciate products that offer long-term performance without requiring extensive upkeep. Slider windows are known for their relatively low maintenance needs. Unlike some window styles that include multiple moving components, slider windows have a straightforward design with fewer mechanical parts. Routine cleaning of the glass and occasional maintenance of the tracks are often all that is needed to keep them operating smoothly. Many modern slider windows are also constructed from durable materials that resist weather-related wear and require minimal maintenance throughout their lifespan. Ideal for spaces with limited exterior clearance, certain window styles require significant space to open outward. Slider windows, however, operate entirely within their frame and do not project outside the home. This makes them an excellent option for areas facing walkways, patios, decks, porches, or landscaping features. Homeowners can enjoy ventilation without worrying about window sashes interfering with outdoor spaces. Their compact operation provides flexibility when designing or upgrading different areas of the home. Versatile design options. Slider windows complement a wide variety of architectural styles. Whether a home features traditional, contemporary, or transitional design elements, slider windows can often be customized to match the property's appearance. Homeowners can choose from various frame materials, colors, finishes, grille patterns, and glass options to create a look that suits their personal preferences. This versatility allows slider windows to blend seamlessly into nearly any home's design while enhancing both interior and exterior aesthetics. Enhancing home value. Updated windows are often viewed as a desirable feature by prospective buyers. Slider windows offer a combination of visual appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency that can make a property more attractive in the housing market. The addition of modern, professionally installed slider windows may improve curb appeal while signaling reduced maintenance concerns and improved energy performance. As a result, homeowners may benefit from both immediate comfort and long-term value. A smart choice for Sanford homes. Slider windows continue to be a popular choice among Sanford homeowners because they deliver an ideal combination of convenience, beauty, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Their easy operation, expansive views, low maintenance requirements, and versatile design make them a practical solution for many different living spaces. For homeowners seeking a window style that enhances both comfort and functionality, slider windows offer lasting benefits that can improve the enjoyment, efficiency, and value of a home for years to come.